ITCS, I will say you are with me every moment. The every doubt I have, you solve very easily. And even during on the Delhi airport, your team was outside waiting for me till I board on the flight. And that till the time I reached Moscow, your team came for us and provided us food and also provide transportation from Moscow to Tambov.
Yes, yes.
So I feel your service is very overwhelming for me.
Come here and fulfill your dream, and you will get used to doing so many things.
First 2 to 3 years it is little tough, but after coming to fourth, fifth, sixth years we have partitions of subjects. We go to classes in hospitals, they will teach, they will show us experimental things, and they will most probably give something like patient history.
Hello, very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very happy moment for us. Today, I'm at Tambov State Medical University, and also with me, a student from Bihar. His name is Mr. Robin Kumar Rai. Is with me. Like last 2 days, he reached over here. He visited the entire city and also has seen the multiple part of the university. I am standing in front of the general hospital of this Tambov State University. Many people have a question that whether they will get a clinical exposures or not, whether they have a patient flow or not. Just to show them, I am here in front of the hostels, and in between I'll just take a short interview with Robin and try to understand how is the overall services they found, what kind of supports they found, whether they are satisfied with us or not, or any kind of concern they want to speak with us. Hello, Robin.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Robin, it's been 2 days for you to
Yes,
come
yes,
over here,
yes.
and I can say that almost like from the last 1.5 months we are connected.
We are very much connected.
Yes, connected for your all the queries and the questions. How you found overall ITCS?
ITCS, I will say you are with me every moment. The every doubt I have, you solve very easily. And even during on the Delhi airport, your team was outside waiting for me till I board on the flight. And that till the time I reached Moscow, your team came for us and provided us food and also provide transportation from Moscow to Tambov.
Yes, yes.
So I feel your service is very overwhelming for me.
Mhm.
I'm in a very different country from a very different culture. Still, it's okay for me. I don't find any difficulties here till now.
Okay, that's very nice to hear. Like when you took a decisions to come abroad for study medicine.
Yes.
Okay. Like how you found that okay, I should go for the Tambov State Medical University. Have you heard about this university earlier, or what kind of research you have done?
Research, I would say you guys suggested me. So I believed on you, and also I researched about it. I found it to be okay for me. So I decided.
Okay, so whatever we have told you, like what kind of services we are going to provide and all, is everything is
It's
something
totally matched. Nothing lied.
that is one of the important part. Basically, people has a complaint that okay, consultancy.
You said everything clear to me prior, and it's all matching till now.
Okay.
And also you are with me. My colleague, classmates who came here, their consultant left in Delhi only. You are with me in Russia too. So that's also a very good thing for me.
Okay.
Okay.
So see, basically, we are standing in front of the general hospital of the Tambov State Medical
Yes.
University.
Mm.
Correct. So, like after seeing over this all kind of infrastructure, university, hostel, buildings, how you feel that whether it is good compared to Indians or in terms of cost-wise, budget-friendly, it is a better. How you found like this?
I found it very good because that kind of other exposure I will get here, I can't get it in India.
Yes.
So apart from studying, I will learn much more things here only. So it will be very good for me.
Okay. So Robin, study medicine is not a joke.
It's not.
Admission part we have taken care.
Yes.
We take you from the day one, and today you're in front of university.
Yes.
But the next journey, what you have to complete for the 6 years, then license, then PG, this is completely depends on you.
Yes.
We can assure, being a consultancy, that okay, non-academic related supports always will provide for you without any trouble. but academic related parts and all that you have to take care in your future. You have to study well, okay, and accordingly you have to proceed
By my own, yes.
Okay,
Thank you,
many
sir.
many best wishes for you,
Thank you, sir.
and do well for that.
Okay.
Hi, very good.
Hello,
What's your good name?
my name is Sakshi.
So Sakshi, you're from which place basically?
I'm from Karnataka,
Gulbarga.
Gulbarga. Yeah.
Okay. So Sakshi, like as you're in the 5th year of
Yeah.
your medical education, like 99% of your journey is already crossed.
Yeah.
So how you like what you say about this Tambov State Medical Institute?
I can't say it's 100% good or 100% bad,
Yeah.
but it's on us how we make our experiences. So for me, first year and second year was a bit struggle because I was not used to cooking. Here we have to cook on our own and manage studying also.
Mhm.
But with time, I have managed to do all of it.
Mhm.
And it's been a good experience for me basically.
Mhm.
And in third year, fourth year, and fifth year, we don't have much classes, so it was much easier for me to manage things. And
No, much classes means what? Like the course curriculum, whatever defined by the NMC or from the
Mhm.
Russian Federation, it's
Mm.
matching everything, or
yeah, much classes in the sense first year to third year we have classes every day,
Okay.
but fourth year to sixth year we
Okay.
have classes in the form of cycles.
Cycles.
Yeah.
Okay, because that time you have a hospital duties,
Yeah.
hospital clinical
Yeah.
duties and all
Yeah.
also. Okay. So like in the first third year of the curriculum,
Mhm.
when you have the more theoretical classes basically, how you found that, how the professors are explaining the things and all?
It's good. I
Mm.
feel it's very good,
Mhm.
and it's not burdened like in India.
Mhm.
And we have the exams on the basis of MCQ or Viva,
Mhm.
and we have common lectures, we have practical lectures, we
Mhm.
have to go to practical lectures. Attendance is very important,
Mhm.
and then you have to answer every day so that you get 50 points out of 100 points, and then you will pass the exam automatically.
Okay. So here, like in India, you have exams like you have to write every
Yeah.
year wise, semester
Yeah.
wise, and all.
Yeah.
They are also the same pattern, or they take say Viva based actually exams? How it is?
In India, it is 1 year full exam at the end, but here it is semester wise. 1 year will have 2 semesters. So, first semester will be from September to December, second semester will be from January to June.
June.
So, here it will be on the end of the first semester, there will be Viva or MCQs.
Mhm. Okay. So like as you completed your 5th year, or you're in 5th year?
Yeah,
You're in 5th
I'm
year?
in 5th year.
You are reached into 5th
Yeah.
year now. So see, can you say that why the like your junior students should join this university? What the 5 best point you can suggest about the Tambov State University according to your experience and all?
Okay, according to my experience, it is like you will get adapted to new cultures,
Mhm.
to explore new things.
Mhm.
And then, if the main thing why I have come here is because I did not get good marks in NEET, and because of that, so many people sacrifice. Instead of doing MBBS, they won't do.
Yeah.
So I can suggest them, you can try this.
Mhm.
Come here and fulfill your dreams,
Yes.
and you will get used to doing so many things.
Mm.
You at home you won't cook and all. Here you can do. You can meet new friends, and study also you can do, and you learn languages.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
apart from that, like when you go for the classes,
Yeah.
basically.
Mm.
So like study pattern wise, they use anatomy machines, anatomy human machines. And all.
Yeah.
So what kind of new equipments, technologies which you have seen over here, which is not basically in India, because India is still they are teaching in a traditional way actually.
Yeah, here there's I don't know the machine name, but there's a machine where
Virtual anatomy machine.
maybe. So if you when they are explaining, you can see the parts.
3D,
Yeah,
3D parts and
yeah,
also there's a dissection,
yes,
everything
Yes,
that you
yeah.
get. So whether you are getting a cadaver and all during your studies over here, like during the anatomy and all classes and all, they provide the organs, cadaver and
Yes, they do. They do.
they
Yeah.
do. So because many of them saying that like you cannot do dissections and all over here. Whether it is allowed to do dissections
In the classes, they will give us not the original one, but the silicone ones we can do. But it is not seen that much of the universities will give the original ones, because it's on the patient's permission. So if patient is comfortable, we can go.
Okay. And like as you're going for the clinicals also for the hospitals.
Yeah.
So how is the schedule and what kind of things you're learning over there now?
Uh, so we will be having different cycles. Like for some cycles will be just for 3 or 4 days. Some cycles will be for 7 to 12 days, where they will take us to the patients and we will see how the operations are done, and then they'll ask us to make the reports.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you are making as a
Yeah.
the reports and
Yeah.
all whatever you have observed
Yeah.
during that time.
Yeah.
So what about
Patient
this
history.
general hospital? How many bedded hospital it is? Any idea you have about this?
I don't know much about
Okay.
this.
So this is the public general hospital.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for sharing your views and
Yes.
all. What's your good name?
I'm Marsala.
Marshala. You are from Kanyakumari,
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
So like that was a complete hot weather,
No.
and you come into a completely cold weather. How you adjusted yourself?
In the beginning, it was really very tough to adjust, but after that, we got adapted to it. Like we have to wear proper clothes, thermal wears, and proper boots, socks, everything. We will be adapted to those things, and you will feel to enjoy in the snow more than avoiding us and going inside the room, sitting there.
Okay. So now, like when you are going in a vacation to your hometown, you are feeling more hot, or you are feeling better over here only? How you feel? Sidhu?
Actually, in summers, I feel like India is far better because our altitude is really very near to sun, so it will be so hot here.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, not only here, with the entire Europe, there's the
Yeah.
same situation basically. Okay, so like you are also in the 5th year now,
Yes.
correct? So how is your overall experience with the university?
It's really good. As she said, like first 2 to 3 years, it is little tough. But after coming to 4th, 5th, 6th years, we have partitions of subjects. We go to classes in hospitals. They will teach. They will show us experimental things, and they will most probably give something like patient history. We have to solve those cases, and we have to learn more about it. So we will get to know how the laboratorical results, instrumental methods, how we should diagnose. We should write our own prescription, treatments, and all.
Based on the history of the patients.
Yeah,
and all.
exactly. And if we are doing something wrong, teachers will treat us like this is wrong. We should not do that.
During your classes, how many students in a batch?
Like we had 9 groups, and in one group we will be having 15 to 16 students each.
Okay.
Because so that when we are going to hospitals, it won't be much crowded, and the teacher can't handle too many students at once. So there will be like 15 students each batch, each groups. So they will be comfortable with this.
Okay. So in the first year, second year, third year, you have a Russian language classes also.
Yeah, we have until second year, first semester.
Achha,
and they will
second
teach
year, first semester means
Yeah.
like 5 semesters they are teaching.
Yeah, Russian language.
5 semesters. So during that, like they have a also exam for the Russian language, or it's like
Yeah.
just they are teaching only.
No, actually, second year, first semester, it's 3 semester they will cover. We have to give exam of 3 semester in second year, first semester. Like first year, first semester, second semester, and second year, first semester. 3 semester, whole semester, they will teach Russian language. After that, we have to pass that complete exam of Russian language.
Okay. So apart from that, when you come for this clinicals and all, so there again it's like 15 students batch goes, or again there's a division into that.
Can you come again?
When you come for the clinicals like hospital duties and all, so again the same 15 students,
Yeah.
16 students comes together.
Exactly. 15 students will come together to one hospital. They won't put everyone all together in the same time. They will separate the times for each person. And if I'm having surgery cycle now, other groups will be having something else like medicine cycle or other cycles.
Okay, so they will divide into
Yeah.
the different cycle parts and all. So how about your hostels and all? How many, like how is the hostel? How far from the university administration building and all?
We have 7 hostels here,
Mhm.
and I'm living in first hostel. It's like 15 minutes travel in bus.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So in a hostel, like all kind of facilities, like say 2-seater, 3-seater, 4-seater, how it is?
In my hostel, it's 3 sitting room every room. But other hostel, we have 2 people room, 4 people room, and 3 people room is also available. It depends on where we are going to live.
Okay. And apart from that, like kitchen and all is attached, or it's a separate or common kitchen in a hostel? How
Common kitchen. Each floor will have one kitchen, one full shower room. It will be have partitions of 6 to 7 restrooms and bathroom, showering room is different,
different.
and bathroom is
Yes.
different.
Okay, okay. And kitchen is also,
Yeah.
you have a like common kitchens.
Yeah, common kitchen.
Okay. So overall, you are enjoying your study over here in
Yeah.
Russia. What you'll say about your juniors? Those are looking for the MBBS seats in India, but now because of this, you have seen about the NEET related things. Many things happen in India, and also the budget is increasing tremendously high in India. What you will suggest for them?
It's not really hard in Russia actually. It's not comparing India, Russia, you won't feel that burden of studying and you won't feel the stress out here. Like you can enjoy as well as you can study because university will offer some cultural programs in between often. Like in winters also they will take you to places and they will inform the location where we have to go, and we have Diwali concert, and recently we had Garba
Oh,
also, and they will celebrate Vishu and Pongal also often here. So we will be having our own cultural events and also Russian events. And if you are willing to go for Africans and Egyptians events also, we can go if they are organizing from universities.
okay. So you have actually chances to make yourself in more diversified.
Yeah.
And you can become a 360-degree doctor, not only a bookist doctor. Correct, na? Okay, students, parents, if you really wish to make your doctor dream complete, we can say if you are not able to get seats in Government College of India, definitely Russia is one of the best option and the examples we have. And for more information, more details, whenever you want to speak, you can speak even these two seniors, the students also, and they can elaborate more details whatever you like. Thanks, and stay connected with our YouTube channel so that we can give you more better information in future. Thank you and have a nice day.